Hi everyone. Today we are going to travel on the hanging train which is in the city of Wuppertal. It's 45 kilometers away from our home. We will meet you there. So after 1 hour of travel, we reached the city of Wuppertal. So now we're walking on the road. We are almost there, and I looked at the tracks and it was awesome. It's wonderful. Feels like in the future, but it's old. It is the oldest electric elevated railway with hanging cars in the world, and it's a unique system in Germany. It's designed by Lagen. It's functional since 1901. Over 80,000 passengers travel a day. This actually runs on a single rail. The center of gravity is just below, so it just stays there. Germans call this Schwebebahn, and that means hanging train. What? You cannot see a track? No, look above. The tracks are above. So now we're in the hanging train. Where the hanging train starts every 4 minutes and goes up to the city of Oberbayern. It's 14 kilometers long with 20 stations. So now we're going over a river. The train also went above bridges that, for me, I didn't even know this was possible. Because trains only go below bridges or go on bridges. I never saw this. Do you know how we got this big view of the back? The back is awesome. Why? Because there is a huge window. Very nice. Levitating. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and leave a like down below. Thank you.